Hello everybody, are you ready to create? Because today we're going to make some rainbow flowers foil prints. Sorry, it's a bit of a mouthful, but it should be a really exciting activity for you. You need to gather your materials first, so felt tips, foil paper and a sponge to wet your paper. So your colors you're going to need are the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. The first thing you need to do is get your foil and draw in circles your rainbow colors. I've started with purple, then indigo, then blue, then green, and I'm going all around in a kind of fireworks pattern. Yellow, orange, and can you guess the last color? Yes, it is red. So you're going on you're coloring on your foil in circles, your colors of the rainbow. Then you need to get your paper, and the first thing you're going to do is dampen your paper. You don't want it too wet, otherwise it gets really messy, but kind of damp. You can use a sponge or anything else you want. Then turn your foil over and press it on your paper. And you can rub it a little bit as long as it doesn't move. And then you can lift. Woohoo! You have a print. Now you need to do it again until you fill up your whole paper. Here I'm just going to use the warm colors, that is yellow, orange and red. I'm going to do a smaller flower to fill in the little gaps. And here you can see I've done some more. Wet my paper, press with the foil and lift. And there you go. I have filled my whole page with some beautiful rainbow prints. Now what you need to do is add some details to make it look like flowers. Now I'm adding stalks with a black pen. Do it carefully and think about where your stalk is going to go so that you are happy with your picture. I'm also going to add some leaves, and I'm just carefully drawing some leaves there, and I'm going to add some details in the flowers. Now it's up to you what the details you want to use. I'm using different ones for each flower, and if you remember last week you've practiced this already with your beautiful painting, so you can use those patterns you've used already. And here you are, beautiful rainbow flowers foil prints.